Now let's see how to add an asset to your library. You can add simple asset or multiple asset. For the purpose of this video, right now I will add a simple asset because it's faster, it's better. So you can click on the plus button. You have three possibilities: render, OpenGL, image. So we will choose render for the first part. And as you can see, you can use Subsurf, Smooth Normal, or Add-on Material. What is Add-on Material? Add-on Material is a render made by the add-on with the material you can modify in the preferences. So I will open the preferences, I will select my asset manager, and in the render customization, as you can see, we have multiple panels. So the first one is for the thumbnail resolution. You can choose this one or this one, the sample, and the show label in the preview. It's to show the name of the add-on, of the asset in the preview. Okay. You have object, and as you can see, you have a shader. It's a normal shader with a Fresnel, diffuse color, diffuse roughness, anisotropic, etc., etc. With this shader, you can make a whole bunch of different material, and at the bottom you have an ambient occlusion and an ambient occlusion color. Same for the ground. You have Fresnel, diffuse color, etc. You have the opacity for this one and the ambient occlusion. For example, right now is at 0. You have the choice of the color of the light, the strength, and a panel for compositing. You can add a contour with opacity, color, size, and ambient occlusion strength to make a stronger ambient occlusion. You also have a glow strength to make a little glow on your thumbnail. Okay, so I will let this right here, like that right now. I will click on the OK to make my first render thumbnail and to add this cube in the library. As you can see, you have a little text thumbnail rendering. Please wait. And if it's too long, you can click on Show Console or Hide Console. And as you can see, now you have your first asset in your library with your first render. So, if you want to change this shader, you can, in the object, here, change the diffuse color, for example. I will choose a yellow, like this. You can change everything, but I will just change this. I click on Save User Settings. It's really important to save the settings. I will click on the plus. I can update my current asset or rename it. Okay. I will click on the Add Material, Add-on Material, and OK. Right now, the render is in background. Just have to wait a little. And when it's OK, as you can see, you have your yellow color. Now, we can change this like an ambient occlusion. Okay, I will put ambient occlusion to 1. Same for the ground. Okay. And same for the strength. I click Save User Settings. I click plus. I click AHO. And I click OK. Just have to wait a little. And now I have my render in ambient occlusion. I can hide the ground. I can change the color of the ambient occlusion. For example, we will put this blue, why not? And in the compositing, I will add a contour. I can change the opacity, I will change the color, and the size. I click Save User Settings, I click plus, I name it contour, and I click OK. Now I just have to wait a little. I can check the console. As you can see, this is OK. And now you have your cube with your ambient occlusion, without the ground, and with the contour. If I add a ground, opacity to 1, I can change the color of the ground. I save it. I click contour 01. I click OK. Can check the console. Never click here on the console, I will close Blender. And now I have my object with my arrow, ambient occlusion, with my contour. Okay, as you can see, we can make a lot of different thumbnail rendering. And the last one for the render part. Object is to uncheck the add-on material and use the material of the object directly. So in the preferences I will uncheck the contour, maybe change the opacity of the ground, make a save and click OK. Just have to wait a little. And now you have your object with its shader in your library. And as you can see, you have a lot of possibilities. So that's it for the first possibility of the render thumbnail.